So after the break, I have come with form 8. The form 8 is in this way: integration sin to the power mx, that is sin x to the power m into cos x to the power n dx. Here m and n are both natural numbers. Number 1. Integration sin cube x cos to the power 4x dx. To solve this type of problem, first identify which one carries odd power. Here this. তার মানে বলতে চাইছি প্রথমে তুমি লক্ষ্য করো যে কোন মাথায় বিজোড় সূচক আছে। এখানে sin x এর মাথায় 3 আছে, তার মানে বিজোড় সূচক। First identify this, then write in this way. Write this as sin square x cos to the power 4x into sin x dx. Now think, how can you use your sin x dx? That is, তুমি কিভাবে sin x dx কে ইউজ করতে পারো? If you take cos x z, then sin x dx appears. So you have to shift this sin square into cos square. So you have to write it 1 minus cos square x cos to the power 4x. You can write it as minus d of cos x, because derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So if you want to write d of cos x, you have to put minus here. Now this becomes cos to the power 4x minus cos to the power 6x d of cos x. Now your answer will be minus, this becomes 1 by 5 cos to the power 5x minus 1 by 7 cos to the power 7x plus. This will be your answer. Next, number 2. Integration sin square x into cos to the power 5x dx. Look here, odd exponent appears here. মানে বিজোড় সূচক cos x এর মাথায় appear করেছে। তাহলে আমরা কি করব, ওখান থেকে একটা cos x বার করে নেব। তাহলে কি হচ্ছে sin square x cos to the power 4x into cos x dx. Now think, how can you use cos x dx? If you take sin x as z, so you have to shift this cos to the power 4 into sin. How can you do this? Let us write sin square x, this is cos square x whole square, that is 1 minus sin square x whole square into cos x dx. Next we can write sin square x, this is 1 minus 2 sin square x plus sin to the power 4x, this is d of sin x. Now this is sin square x minus 2 sin to the power 4x plus sin to the power 6x, this is d of sin x. Now your answer will be 1/3 sin cube x 2 by 5 sin to the power 5x plus 1 by 7 sin to the power 7x plus 1/3 sin cube x minus 2 by 5 sin to the power 5x plus 1 by 7 sin to the power 7x plus. Okay. Next, let us move to our third problem of this form. Integration sin cube x cos to the power 5x dx. look here, odd exponent appears in both the cases, as exponent of sin x, as exponent of cos x. So this problem can be solved in two ways. Let me do one by one. Now first write sin cube x, this is cos to the power 4x, then cos x dx. Cos x dx implies that you can write it as d of sin x. So express this cos to the power 4x in terms of sin x. So you can write it as sin cube x, this is cos square x whole square, that is 1 minus sin square x whole square, this is d of sin x. Now you can write sin cube x 1 minus 2 sin square x plus sin to the power 4x d of sin x. This becomes sin cube x minus 2 sin to the power 5x plus sin to the power 7x d of sin x. Now your answer will be 1 by 4 sin to the power 4x minus 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3 sin to the power 6x plus 1 by 8 sin to the power 8x plus 6. This is your one answer. Another answer will be in this way. Then you have to split sin x. So you can write sin square x, keep cos to the power 5 unchanged, then sin x dx. Then write the sin square x as 1 minus cos square x, then cos to the power 5x. If you write d of cos x, this becomes minus sin x dx. For this, put minus here. If you push minus inside, you get cos to the power 7x minus cos to the power 5x d of cos x. Now your answer will be 1 by 8 cos to the power 8x minus 1 by 6 cos to the power 6x plus 6. Okay. Both the answers are correct. You can do any one as you wish. Integration cos qx number 4 into e to the power ln sin x. Do e to the power ln sin x is nothing but sin x. Cos cube x, this is sin x. So you can write minus cos cube x d of cos x. So your answer will be 1 by 4 cos to the power 4x plus. Next question. Number 5. Integration sin to the power 4x into cos to the power 6x. এতক্ষণ কিন্তু অঙ্কগুলো সোজাই হচ্ছিল বিকজ কোনো না কোনোটার পাওয়ার অড ছিল, but when both the indexes are even, then the problem will become more tougher. Let us see what happens. We can write sin x cos x whole to the power 4 into Look, if you put 1 2 here, 1 2 here, so actually you have written 2 to the power 5 extra here, so you have to balance it with 1 by 32. What happened? 1 by 32, this becomes sin 2x to the power 4, and this becomes 2 cos square, that is 1 plus cos 2x. Then let us split it. 1 by 32 integration sin 2x to the power 4 dx plus integration sin 2x to the power 4 cos 2x dx. Next, you can write it as, this is sin to the power 4x, sin to the power 4 2x, 4 into 32 integration 2 sin square 2x whole square dx. Look, 2 square 4 cancel. This is 2 sin square 2x whole square. Then you can write it as plus integration sin 2x to the, now let us see this, dx of sin 2x. What happened? 2 cos 2x. So we have to keep 1 2 here to write d of sin 2x. So I am writing half outside and here writing d of sin 2x. Okay. Then I am getting these two steps. This becomes 1 by 128 integration 2 sin square 2x is 1 minus cos 4x whole square dx. Then plus half integration sin 2x to the power 4 d of sin 2x. Look, this is ready for integration, but until this part becomes ready for integration, we can't do this. We can't do the integration because when we are doing some integration, there requires an arbitrary constant. For this reason, আমরা একটা সিঙ্গেল স্টেপে গিয়ে সব ইন্টিগ্রেশন গুলো করব। ঠিক আছে? এই পাওয়ার ধারণাটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ তো? Split this 1 minus 2 cos 4x plus cos square 4x dx plus half integration sin 2x to the power 4 d of sin 2x. Next step, 1 by 128 integration, keep this together, 1 minus 2 cos 4x dx plus put 1 2 here, then this will be 1 by 256 integration 2 cos square 4x dx plus half integration sin 2x to the power 4 d of sin 2x. Okay. Next step, 1 by 128 integration 1 minus 2 cos 4x dx plus 1 by 256 integration, this is 1 plus cos 8x dx plus half integration sin 2x to the power 4 d of sin 2x. Now look, every part is ready for integration. Now I am writing the answer. 1 by 128, 1 will be x, 2 by 4, that is half sin 4x plus 1 by 256, 1 brings x. This is plus 1 by 8 sine of 8x. 1 by 5, that is 1 by 10 sine 2x whole to the power 5 plus c. Let me do one more step to write the answer in its simplest form. Look, x by 256, x by 128. They become 3x by 256. Then this is minus 1 by 256 sine 4x. Then this becomes plus 1 by 256 into 8 sine 8x plus 1 by 10 sine 12 to the power 5 plus c. Keep this as answer. You can multiply this 8 into 256. So let us end today's class here. We will meet in our next class next day. Till then, goodbye. Stay happy and healthy.